Hello you guys, welcome back to another episode. Today wasn't actually planned. We did have another video that we were trying to make, but Hornets got involved. So right now we're just gonna make we gotta get work done. Is what we gotta get done. Hers horn doesn't work very well, so we're going to add a auxiliary, kind of flip a switch and make a lot of noise kind of thing. So as you can see too, we've got another video coming up here with all this, and another little thing too. We will be slowed down a little bit. We are going to take a little bit of a break from videos. Her laptop keeps crashing with the software that we have on it, and it's getting worse and worse as time goes on. We do have another computer coming, and it's going to be here on the 17th, and our video quality should be a lot better now that we don't have to fight so much with other things. But yeah, so I guess let's get to it. Disclaimer, I really don't know what I'm doing. I have replaced this horn on here before, and you're probably wondering why I'm not just going to do it again. Well, there's a bad ground somewhere around it. And I don't know, I just really want something to do more than anything, I suppose. So we're going to do it this way. Now I just got to figure out where I'm going to put this thing.
Yeah, as you can see, there's not much space to work with.
One thing we have done to this car though, is that it has a really tough time starting in the winter. It's just these 4 cylinders like this are just garbage. So what we did to help out was we put this nice little battery wrap around the battery.
A blanket.
And we installed a frost plug. And that does help, but it doesn't always start it either. There's a lot of issues with this PT Cruiser.
Oh yeah, if you didn't know guys, this is a PT Cruiser.
Yeah, I really wish that we didn't buy it.
Well, we were down a vehicle and I needed something, so it was a good price. But it had a lot of issues apparently.
Unbeknownst to us. It's good and running when we bought it.
Like right there, that's part of my windshield wiper system that doesn't work. So yeah, so basically we're putting a horn in because the actual one doesn't work. So
well, it works, but it's not very loud.
It sounds like a meep meep from the Roadrunner, and quieter than that. So we'll see how that works, I guess. I wanted a train horn, but we couldn't find one. He just looks so excited. So
Yeah, so about our last video, we were planning on going camping. And we had this nice little spot picked out over by a lake. We're not going to give too many details because it's a pretty good fishing spot too. But yeah, we went down there, we got everything set up, and then Tamara stepped on a nest.
a ground hornet nest.
We had to get the hell out of there.
Yeah, I pissed him off. I got stung in the leg and it hurt. I think I got stung like twice. And then all our stuff was still down the hill and it just turned into a nightmare.
Really did.
So we just came home.
Long story short,
Long
we
story
weren't
short.
going to deal with it. We'll make another video with us going to, I think we're going to go to Long Lake over by, actually it's not too far away.
Either way, we're gonna go somewhere else to where I don't get stung.
Yeah.
It was a sign too, because all week I've been dealing with bees. They've been getting in my car and all that kind of crap. It was a sign, and I got stung. It freaking hurt.
Felt so good.
It felt terrible. Terrible. So what are you doing right now?
Not sure.
Not sure.
Not sure. Just trying to see what the best solution to this is going to be. I really wish I had another bolt.
Okay, so in hindsight, he's drilling a hole in my car right now. Looks like he's having just a grand old time. While me, I got this wonderful little toggle switch that will be connected to that horn. I'm just trying to find a spot to put it. Either down here, you know, kind of between everything, easy to get to, or somewhere right here. But I don't know, because then we have, if we do it over here, we got these wires that we gotta travel through everything. And if it's over here, it's less for it, but I don't know. It's either those two spots. I kind of think it'd be better right there almost, but whatever's less work, I'm okay with. And I think he got done drilling my car. Or that. How's it going? Eh? Sounds like you're having fun. Always. Yes.
Okay, so I think I got the right placement. Right now what I'm doing is I'm sanding down the paint so that there's a good surface for this thing to be grounded on.
There's that hole he drilled.
Yeah. Again, I really don't know what I'm doing.
Just kind of winging it.
We're
Usually
winging
it
it.
works.
Yeah. I know, like, you know, just the bare minimum of what I don't know, bare minimum of electric stuff, I guess. I know it needs a good ground, and you know, this is how you do it. And I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a white paint marker and we'll paint over all that extra stuff that I don't need. Exposed, that's just where more rust is likely to get started from.
So yeah, things and things.
Pretty much.
Horn.
We got so far.
It works.
Well, maybe.
For the most part. Oh, that breeze feels good.
It's really hot out here.
Yeah, there's just a few clouds here and there, and then there's the sun. Would it be possible, like, if we had another one of these, screw another hole here and just have another one go like that?
Why do you want to do that?
I don't know, wouldn't it stop it from moving?
No. Well, that's not the issue is that it's loose, and I'm worried that it's not making good electrical contact.
Eh?
So,
Obviously, I don't know much about cars, guys. I just try to help.
it does come with a grounding wire, and we do have extra wire.
Test run.
Well, it's grounded.
So, what does that mean?
It's grounded. We saw
Okay, wasn't it
sparks.
supposed to honk at us?
Yeah, it was.
Yes, because we replaced the actual horn once already.
Good ground.
So we did something.
Yeah. So, okay, the reason I was having such an issue, and I'm sure a lot of you noticed this before, I bought an aftermarket one for the one that I already replaced, and I didn't have to have the ground attached like this. This was the ground, so that was my stupid ass that messed that one up. It's fine.
We're learning.
This is how I learned, by the way. I really can't.
I mean, we're probably really annoying all the neighbors.
I mean, we've only done it once. I thought we bought a bad horn, though, honestly. What we got going so far?
Trying to get the wire tucked into the car so we can get it inside from here to my very dirty battery. I don't know what we're doing with that yet. He won't tell me. So, yeah.
I would try to tell you, but you would just be like a
That's what I sound like.
Yeah. think I got it figured out how I'm gonna have it lead.
I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but enough to get it done.
Yeah. Whew. So here I am sweating to death. Alright, so now we got our two lengths of wire that are roughly the same length. And what I have planned is, and I'm sure there's a lot easier of a way to do this, but I just really don't care. So we're gonna run one lead up from that battery right alongside through here. And then we're gonna have it connect right over here to a switch.
I showed them the switch earlier.
Where is it, by the way?
Somewhere over there in that mess.
We'll connect this switch.
We're gonna glue it right there.
Probably, anyway. And then this other one, we're gonna take the other length of red wire. We're gonna run it up to the horn. So this will act as just a break in between the line. It'll be in series with it. And yeah, that's all the more complicated I want to get with that. So that's what we're going with. Okay.
Alright. Okay, so we got it through inside my car. Just gotta hook that up to the car somehow. And right now he's just hooking it up to the horn. Oh, it's zoomed in.
Go ahead and get ready to...
You see how low that goes?
Yeah, I know.
I'm talking to the camera, not you for once. Oh, that laugh of mine.
Alright, before I put it on all the way.
Alright, what am I doing? Testing? Okay. You can listen this time. I'm gonna set you right here. Much better.
Now I'm putting dielectric grease on everything just because I've learned that things A, go on and off a lot easier, and B, they help with things not rusting. Oh, fuck.
Cool. That don't look too bad.
No, actually looks like we knew what we were doing. Sort of.
So, I accidentally forgot to turn on the mic again. So, but there wasn't much missed. We just got it all wired up. It looks okay in the car. We have it zip tied. We drilled a few holes into my dash.
I'm saying fricket.
Saying fricket. And put some Gorilla, it's like these squares of some kind of like Gorilla tape. Not tape, not glue, but they're squares and they're really sticky. I mean, I did it with, hold on, my camera on my windshield, and it works really well. So, some good stuff. If you see it, I'd recommend it.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Hashtag not sponsored. But now he's just dicking around with my my windshield wiper tube thing, dropping things.
I have no idea where that went. Hopefully it didn't get stuck anyway.
And I'm holding up the hood and my arm hurts.
I don't think it's on anything moving, so...
It'll rattle out if anything. So we're gonna see how well this looks while closing.
You gotta cook. Oh, don't take it that way.
Well, I have one hand here. Oh. So trip over his big feet.
Just make sure everything's out of the way.
Oh.
Slamming the lid of a coffin.
Slamming the lid of a coffin. Oh yeah, let me show you guys the inside. Scoot. Scooter tooch. So that's what that looks like. Like I said, we did some holes and then there's the zip ties and behind it's the sticky stuff. Like I said before, I used on that. And there's that bug. No? Never mind. Yeah, so we'll do test runs here in a bit.
Where is the garbage bag? Okay, so I forgot to turn the mic on.
Just like I do.
I hate that mic so much.
It's a weird system.
It is. But we're gonna do this again here. So for the audience, hit that shit horn. It absolutely sucks. Now go ahead and hit the real one. I want to hear what that sounds like from the outside. Okay. I think that's louder than your other horn ever was.
The original.
No, not the original, when I replaced it the first time.
That's what I mean.
I'm really glad that this worked. It took a lot longer than it should have, but I'm happy with it. Got a working horn, that's all that matters.
I'm really happy with it.
Yeah, me too. And now that we got this kind of thing going, that means we can probably throw some cool lights in here and make this
Make a
cheap
PT
piece
Cruiser.
of make this cheap piece of plastic look somewhat drivable and
Decent. I mean, yeah. After we get the windshield replaced.
Yeah, there's a
Starters.
gigantic crack on
It used to be like this small, now it's huge.
Yeah, it's gonna be like a $200 or $300 fix. I'm not super worried about it. You can still drive, so that's all that matters. I call this a win, even though it took too long. I'm sweaty, and I think it's time to go home. Alright, but yeah, I need a drink, and I think we could do some tacos.
Yeah, and I want to work on my book. Because I write books.
Alright. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. Check out our Instagram, do whatever. I don't care. You're all somewhat adults.
Somewhat adults.
Somewhat adults.
We're somewhat adults.
We're not.
We try.
We don't try.
You
I don't try. Anyways, as always, stay safe, stay sane, you guys.
They didn't signal.
Okay. Alright. Stay safe, stay sane, guys. We'll see you on the next episode. Fuck!